My name's Judith Sandalo. I'm the Executive Director of Children's Law Center here in Washington, D.C. Children's Law Center is the largest nonprofit legal services organization in the District of Columbia. Our mission is to give at-risk children in the district a solid foundation of family, health, and education. Each year, we provide that service to more than 2,000 children. Although our 80-person staff still needs the help of pro bono lawyers because there are more children in need. The Children's Law Center has made a substantial investment in our pro bono program to make sure that it serves both our pro bono attorneys and our clients well. We have a full-time pro bono director as well as an intake and pro bono coordinator who help us place several hundred cases every year. We have close relationships with almost every major law firm in town. We also work with government attorneys and in-house corporate counsel. Some of our pro bono attorneys are litigators and others are transactional lawyers. We work with first-year associates. We also work with experienced partners as well as senior partners. Our pro bono lawyers represent foster parents and relatives who are willing to open their home to children, and those are adoption, guardianship, and custody cases. These are terrific cases for litigators. They give you a chance to do a small trial with an opening, a closing, cross-examination, and direct examination. We also place cases where lawyers represent children as guardians ad litem, lawyers who represent the best interest of a child when parents are disputing custody. These are cases for which there is no government funding, so judges rely 100% on pro bono lawyers, and I can promise you that judges are extremely appreciative of lawyers who are willing to take these cases. These are good cases for litigators and non-litigators alike. Although there is an opportunity for some courtroom work, there is quite a bit of negotiation involved in making sure that both parents are on the same page, because that's really what's best for children. The Children's Law Center also places special education cases with pro bono lawyers. Most of these are cases that are referred to us by pediatricians. We've been working with pediatricians around the city for a decade, and special education cases remain the #1 type of case that they refer to us. Some special education cases are good for litigators, and we know they're going to go to court. But we also can tell in advance whether a special education case is likely to settle. Those are terrific cases for transactional lawyers who can use their negotiation skills to work closely with the school system. When a special education case does go to a due process hearing, the lawyer has a chance basically to do a mini trial, to do opening and closing, and it often involves putting on an expert witness and then, of course, cross-examining the government's witnesses. Much of Children's Law Center's work is, by design, individual representation. However, we have such broad experience that we like to take what we've learned from individual clients and use it to make improvements in the city. And there we need pro bono lawyers to help us. We have 4 areas that we focus on: child welfare, mental health, special education, and general anti-poverty work. And we need pro bono lawyers to join with us, to do research, to help us with drafting legislation, sometimes to get involved in meeting with council members. It's an area that we like our lawyers to have taken individual cases first so they get to know the importance of the issues, and then we can involve them in our policy work. We offer both half-day trainings and online trainings for our pro bono attorneys. You can go to our website, www.childrenslawcenter.org, and either on the home page or on the pro bono tab, find information about our upcoming trainings as well as pro bono resources. We also have mentors to work with every single pro bono attorney. These are lawyers whose full-time job is to provide representation in court, but wish to spend some of their time working with our pro bono lawyers. And let me be clear, they're your mentors, they're not your supervisors. These are your cases. We're not co-counseling them with you. You have a chance to represent a client yourself and make all the decisions for your client, but we're there to support you every step of the way. Obviously, every case is different, and so some cases are more complex than others. I would say on the average, a case takes about 9 months and ranges from 40 hours to 80 hours. Although some cases we know going into it are going to be more complex and will go on for longer. What we can do, because we get such a range of cases coming in over the course of the year, is that we can try and help a pro bono attorney find the kind of case that gives them the level of experience that they're looking for. You can go to our website, www.childrenslawcenter.org, and learn more about the Children's Law Center and about our clients.